In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your durable AI website. By the end, you'll feel confident making your site look polished, on brand, and ready to share. First, access the editor. Sign into your durable account, then on your site dashboard click Edit. This opens the editor interface where you'll see a top bar for global controls and your page content right below. Think of this space as your canvas. You can adjust overall styles, work on individual sections, manage pages, and, when you're happy, save and publish. Let's start with the overall look and feel. Click the style icon on the top bar to customize colors, fonts, and button styles. Choose a color palette that matches your brand and a font that's easy to read. For buttons, you can pick solid or outline styles. Solid tends to stand out for primary actions like contact or get started, while outlined works well for secondary actions. Keep contrast in mind so text is legible on all backgrounds. Now, refine your content. Hover over any part of the page and select Edit section. Here, you can rewrite text to match your voice, swap images with high-quality stock photos or your own images, and rearrange sections so your most important information appears first. Aim for clear headlines, short paragraphs, and visuals that support your message. If you need more content, click Add section. You can drop in lists, galleries, testimonials, or forms to showcase services, feature your work, build trust, or capture leads. Keep it focused. Add sections that help visitors understand what you offer and how to take the next step. Around this point, if you're just getting started, I've placed the official link to Durable at the top of the description so you can open it and follow along as you customize your site. Next, update your header and footer. In the header, set your website name, upload a logo if you have one, and adjust social links so visitors can connect with you. The footer is a great place for contact details, social icons, and any quick links you want available on every page. To manage pages, go to Pages in the top bar. Add, delete, or rename pages like Home, About, and Contact to keep your navigation simple and clear. Make sure each page has a specific purpose and a clear call to action. When you've made changes, click Save to store your progress, then Publish to push everything live. For advanced customization, try AI Regenerate. If a section's text or images don't feel right, select that section and prompt the AI to regenerate them until it matches your style and goals. That's it. Your durable website is customized and ready to share. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.